in today's video, I'm going to be opening up this package which has arrived, and I don't know what's inside, but I do know that it's from a very retro store with a very retro twist, and I'm very, very excited about it. So let's get into it. It's your girl Ayesha, and I am super duper excited to get into this package. Now this is from the 1UpStore, from the lovely Lacey. Hey girl, she got into my inbox and she was like, girl, and I was like, girl. She's like, girl, I want to send you some stuff because you're fabulous. And I'm like, girl, I love your stuff. Your stuff is fabulous. Send it on. And that was that. I have no idea what's actually inside of here. All I know is that I love her aesthetic. She is all about the games. I'm talking like the old school games, like, you know, your Super Mario's and all of that. Hence, I'm wearing my Princess Peach chain today, which I made a long time ago. But yeah, I like, if you know me from back in the day, you will know that I love the kind of like pixelated aesthetic. I make a lot of pixelated chains. I don't do it as much now because obviously now I do more resin stuff, but back in the day, girl, that was my thing. I'll be rocking these kind of chains all day, every day, and they will be massive, you know? So like pixelated stuff is very much my aesthetic, and it's also her aesthetic as well. So I'm like, ooh, chat. I don't even care what you send me, just send me something cool. So whatever is in this package, I'm going to probably tomorrow style and put into a little lookbook, and we will put it in this video as well. Okay, so you don't have to wait too long, but obviously the time now, whoa, okay, that's late. It is 1:15 a.m. so it's a little bit late for me to start doing a lookbook just now, but at least if I open it up and see what's inside, then I can sleep on it, and then I can figure out how to style it, and I can give you a cool lookbook at the end of this video. So I hope that you're as excited as I am, because I can't wait. Oh my goodness. So here we go. I don't know what she sent me. I've got no idea. Absolutely no idea. I just trust her judgment. She knows what I like, so I will just trust that. I will leave a link in the description box below so you can go ahead and check out the 1UpStore. Now what she likes to do, she likes to upcycle things. So she will take, like, say, like an old jacket. My girl will rework that and whack a really cool like Super Mario print on it. She will hand paint stuff. She will do all sorts of nonsense just to revive said jacket. My girl is cool, okay? So definitely do check Lacey out. So first, I'm feeling a little box in here. I'm gonna place the bag there. What is inside of this little box? What are you? Oh! I've got some little like colouring bits here. Is this for me or is this for my son? It's funny because we've just started watching Sailor Moon, so he might actually like to colour that in. Look, a little Kirby. Oh, a little Pikachu and Butterfree. I don't know why I'm going, oh, Butterfree. I hate Butterfree because it's a butterfly, because I hate butterflies. But apart from that, we love Pikachu in this house. Okay, let's see what else is in here. What are you? Oh, these, oh. Okay, so we have a Sailor Moon magnet. Oh my gosh, Riley is gonna love that. Oh my goodness. But look at these. Oh, okay, so she has a really cool design of the little of the starter Pokemon. So like Pikachu, Charmander, Squirtle, and Bulbasaur, and oh, she's got Jigglypuff as well as little soda pop cans. Oh, she's even done Snorlax as well. I thought it was just the starter Pokemon that you did it with. I didn't realise that you did it with like Snorlax and Jigglypuff as well. Look at these. These are such cute little stickers. I wonder if I can put them in resin. And I've got some more stickers here as well. This is from Animal Crossing. Look, she's even done like a pastel version of the fossil from Animal Crossing. We also have Peachy. And we have the Triforce logo as well. That's pretty cool. And we have some cherries, some pastel cherries. I am feeling the pastel vibe and the pastel bell bag as well. She knows I love Animal Crossing. Oh, these are adorable. These are super duper cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, oh wow. Wow, check out that one. That one's massive. These are so, so cool. Let's have a little look and see what else is in this box. Oh, wait. I just saw on this sheet, it said box of contents. I'm not going to look at that letter just now because I don't want to get spoiled. I don't want spoilers. Let me see. Oh my. These are transfers. Okay, so she knows that I love this. Game over, hun. Game over. I love this. She has t-shirts that say this, so I'm gonna actually transfer that. I've got a white sweatshirt. It's a plain white sweatshirt. That will probably transfer really well onto that. Okay, I definitely can't do a lookbook tonight. Definitely not, because I'm gonna need to do some work with these. Okay, definitely. I need to place that down carefully. Now, what one are you? Oh, look at Kirby. Oh my gosh. It's a Kirby transfer. And what are these? So she's done the little soda pop cans as well, but as transfers. So now I can put these onto my like white sweatshirt, because I've got matching pants as well. Maybe I can or should I put them on a jacket? Man, there's so much I can do. There's the Bulbasaur one. Oh my gosh. And we've got Ditto as well. Oh, Squirtle. I love Squirtle. Squirtle. Oh my gosh. These are, look at Eevee. Oh my god, these are adorable. And we've got Snorlax there as well. Thank you so much for sending this to me as transfers. That's brilliant. I hope that you've included instructions on how to actually like put them on. I'm sure it's just, you know, a simple iron on transfer, but just in case. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, okay. Transfer guide. Brilliant. Peel transfer from backing and lay on garment, image facing up. Cover with heat protection sheet and firmly iron on medium to high heat. No steam. Moving iron up, down, left and right until transfer seems secure. If printing onto denim, the longer you iron, the more the denim will show through. This can create a really cool rustic effect. Carefully remove protective sheet once cooled. You got it, girl. Thank you so, so much. Care guide. Always wash inside out on a cold cycle and full load. Always iron inside out. Do not tumble dry. Okay. Okay, now they're all safely back into their box. Let's see what else is inside of this bag. I am feeling denim. I am feeling denim. Oh my goodness. Look at the star patch. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look. Look. I mean, come on. No, that is cool. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna just very quickly try it on, just for size. Oh, that fits brilliantly. Even the sleeves fit. That is perfect. That is a perfect fit. It even hits me at the right point as well. Like it's not too short on me. It hits me like on my hip sort of thing. So yeah, this is good. This is really good. Okay. Right, let me just quickly read out the little note that she sent me. She says, "Hey Ayesha, I can only apologise for how long it's taken me to get everything together for you. I think we can all agree that this year hasn't been too kind. Nonetheless, I have some goodies here that I hope you enjoy. Girl, you ain't got to apologise for anything, okay? Trust me, it's absolutely fine. This year has been awful. don't even worry about it. Box of contents, selection of transfers, slim fridge magnet, selection of stickers, and some art therapy sheets. Aside from the transfers, these are currently not listed on the store. However, if anyone's interested, they can reach out to me via Instagram and I'll be happy to let them know which of these I can make. As I said, I'll pop her link down in the description box below. Info about 1UpStore. I love kawaii culture, but I find myself overwhelmed with plastic and fast fashion. With limited options for where to shop and zero waste kawaii at an affordable price, I decided to do my own thing. 1UpStore is a small business in Manchester that takes old clothes and fabrics, fixes them up and makes them into something super kawaii. I even use recycled ink and all packaging is either plastic free or reused. I sincerely hope you enjoy the items I've sent you, Lacey, 1UpStore. Girl, I love them. Thank you so much. I can't wait. I cannot wait to get these things styled. This is going to be super duper cool. Okay, I'm going to need some time to like jazz up my clothes and put together an outfit. This is going to look so cool. Okay, I will see you on the other side.